So here we have the Alpha Keeper fanny pack or traveling running pack. So this is RFID protection. So you get protected with your credit cards and IDs and keep them from getting scanned. And this is a nice little, very comfortable feeling pack here. So what you have here is a nice, very stretchable and nice little thin designed clasp here that is securely goes right in, very secure, nice feeling strap. So if it's on the skin, which you can wear under your shirt, it's going to be very comfortable and not irritating at all. And this side is very nice and soft too. So what we have here is super thin, goes around the waist, goes around the shoulder, and it's great for traveling, great for hiking. You got nice zipper tags here. This way you got nice secure hold, very smooth action. Got a nice front pocket here, and here's that protection RFID for your IDs. And this could fit a nice size cell phone. Then you got another compartment up here, nice action on the zipper, and then more protection. And you got two inside mesh pockets. This way your items could be visible. You got one smaller one and one bigger one, easy to find with the mesh. So you could put a wallet in here, your cell phone. Basically, I got a cell phone with a rather large case. Fits in there nice, stays super thin. And also for quick access, which has a mesh, you can slide your cell phone back here. This way it's hidden, and this way you could just access your things that you need to quickly access without your cell phone getting in the way, which you probably won't be using much if you're running, hiking, or traveling. So vice versa, this is the Alpha fanny pack. Super cool, nice adjustable strap here, adjust to all sizes, and super slim design.